Beauty isn't about having a pretty face. It's about having a pretty mind, a kind heart, and most importantly, a beautiful soul. With this quotation, a warm and present good morning to you all, respected principal sirs, worthy teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters. Myself, Ipsita Das, on behalf of Standard 9, I welcome you all to today's morning assembly. Let's start our morning assembly with DAV Gan.
School! Attention! Ready for revision. Join your hands and close your eyes.
A pledge is a way to make us aware of our duties towards our nation. Let's follow our duty with complete faith in ourselves by repeating the pledge after.
Take place position. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Now, to deliver the 10 commandments of Arya Samaj, I would like to call Uttam.
School! Stand ready.
10 Principles of Arya Samaj. Principle number 5. All actions should be performed in conformity that is due consideration of right and wrong. Principle number 6. The primary aim of the Arya Samaj is to do good for all and to promote their physical, spiritual, and social well-being.
One small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. So for today's thought, I would like to call.
Good morning everyone, my name is Samia Khan from Standard 5. I am going to presenting today's thought of the day. Do not wait for tomorrow because tomorrow does not wait for you. Thank you and have a nice day.
School, attention. Ready for prayer song.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले एक रास्ते पे हमसे दूर कभी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। दुर्लभ ज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बच के रहे हम, मिटने तेरे बड़ी जिंदगी दे। रोना किसी का कहीं से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। रोना किसी का कहीं से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। हम चले रास्ते पे हमसे कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम न सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे कि अब क्या है हर पल। भूल खुशियों के वास्ते सभी को, सबका जीवन बन जाए मनपन। Let's know what is going around the world by our news reporter.
Morning all, I am Sankalp Snasis of Class 5 Section A with today's news. India logs 31,222 fresh COVID cases, 290 deaths in last 24 hours. Shiksha Parv 2021. Education should not only be inclusive but equitable, says Prime Minister Modi. Pegasus Row. Supreme Court grants more time to Center for Filling Responses. Fixes pleas for hearing on September 13. China appoints new army commander to head troops along Indian border. Bhabanipur Assembly bypoll. Congress to field candidate against Mamata. Postpone NEET. Let students have a fair chance. Rahul Gandhi to government. Thank you. Have a nice day.
To know about the amazing and wonderful facts, I would like to invite
Good morning everyone. Myself Soham Rao, Standard 5, standing in front of you for delivering today's fact file based on Hindi Divas. Fact number 1. Hindi Day is celebrated every year on 14 September, marking the declaration of Hindi language as official language at Union Government of India. Fact number 2. On 14 September 1949, Hindi was adopted as official language in India. Fact number 3. Gandhiji also called Hindi as the language of public. Fact number 4. On 26 January 1950, Hindi was recognized as an official in Article 343 of the Constitution. Fact number 5. This day is mainly celebrated with its primary focus on the history and promotion of the Hindi language and worldwide. Thank you.
a new word always boosts our vocabulary. So for today's word, I would like to invite Soumya.
Good morning everyone. Today's word is sit. Its meaning is since or afterwards. Its spelling is SITA and its synonym is history or education and its antonym is stay. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Now, I would like to request P. Behra sir to deliver his valuable speech.
Good morning, respected principal sir, my dear work colleagues and loving students. So, your midterm exam is approaching. As in fact, while that Bhagavad Gita name was told, I will start with that. During the initial phase of the Mahabharata war, Lord Krishna describing about the relationship, how to deal with peers, nears, how to deal with the enemy, all the lifestyles, all the techniques or the characters of maintaining the life in society. So he told that there is no second option for labor. The sloka is like this: Karmeno Madhikareshu Mahapalishu Kadach. So there is no substitute for labor. There is no substitute for labor. And one thing you remember, that labor never goes in vain. It will reply or it will repay you sooner or later. Maybe late, but it must pay. Labor must pay. And the very well-known saying in Hindi, in Indian languages, Kashta na kale, Krishna mile. There is no gain without pain. Starting from our birth, the mother's labor pain, up to our success in the passage of the life. So as the exam is approaching, and especially class 10 and 12 students, this year you will appear 2 times board exam. Generally at the end of the session, board exam you appear, rest of the preparatory at the school level, but this time you appear board exam twice. One is in the school level first term and second term in the center, as it will be affixed or appended by the CBSE. So don't take it lightly, because this is special exam as mentioned by CBSE. So I wish you all the success in the forthcoming examination, and try to do hard work, and result is not far away. Thank you. Have a good day.
School! Attention! Lesson anthem begins.
the day, remind yourself that you did the best you could today and that is good enough. Thank you and have a nice day.